This is the brief on China's autonomous robotics revolution. Imagine doing a really delicate repair job while a fatal 10,000 volt surges right through your workspace. Terrifying, right? Well, what if a robot could just handle it for you without breaking a sweat? Right now, China is actually deploying fully autonomous robots to repair live power grids, signaling a massive leap in global automation. First, let's talk about the actual tech leap making this possible. By combining LiDAR for 3D mapping, AI, and literal laser blades, these robots basically perform minimally invasive surgery on live 10 kilovolt and 1 million volt lines. They can strip rigid insulation and splice wires with absolute precision. This completely eliminates the risk of fatal electrocution for human workers, and it actually slashes repair times from a full hour down to just 25 minutes. Second, we have to look at the massive scale of this rollout. China's state-owned electric utility is pouring a staggering 4 trillion yuan into an AI-driven energy system. They're leveraging their existing electric vehicle supply chains, along with their 94% control of the world's rare earth magnets. Think about it. If China controls the very magnets that make every robotic motor spin, how can the rest of the world possibly catch up? Finally, this domestic dominance is driving a major geopolitical shift. Because they build these systems so cheaply at home, China officially became a net exporter of industrial robots in 2025, capturing over half of all global installations. Now they're rapidly supplying these advanced machines to massive emerging markets like Brazil and India. Ultimately, whoever builds the machines that maintain the infrastructure controls the future of the global economy. So do you think human electricians will even exist in 10 years? Let me know down in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.